Today we shall look at the common mistakes students make when applying abroad. Every year, thousands of students dream of studying abroad, but many get rejected, not because they are not smart, but because of simple mistakes. If you are planning to apply abroad, this video could save your future. Don't skip it. Studying abroad can change your life. Better education, global exposure, and international career opportunities. But the truth is, many students sabotage their own chances without even realizing it. So let's start by looking at the first mistakes. Mistake number 1, starting too late. Mistake number 1, starting the application process too late. Applications can take months, transcripts, recommendation letters, language tests, visas. When you rush, you submit weak applications or miss deadlines. Mistake number 2, poor research. The second mistake is about applying without proper research. Some students apply to unaccredited universities or programs that don't match their academic background. Mistake number 3, weak personal statements. Your personal statement can make or break your application. Yet many students submit copied or generic essays, and admission officers can spot them instantly. Mistake number 4, wrong recommendation letters. Another big mistake is choosing the wrong recommenders. It's not about status, it's about people who truly know your academic or professional strengths. Mistake number 5, poor document preparation. Incomplete or inconsistent documents can lead to instant rejection. Different names, uncertified transcripts, missing grading systems. These small errors cost big opportunities. Mistake number 6, ignoring language tests. For example, some students delay or ignore IELTS or TOEFL requirements, only to realize too late that is mandatory. Mistake number 7, no funding plan. Applying abroad without a clear funding plan is risky. Tuition, accommodation, living expenses, everything must be planned. Mistake number 8, falling for scams. Fake scholarships and agents are everywhere. If anyone asks you to pay for admission letters or guaranteed visas, run for your life. Mistake number 9, weak visa preparation. Even after admission, poor visa preparation can end your journey. If you can't explain your study plan or funding clearly, your visa may be denied. The last but not the least, mistake number 10, not seeking guidance. Finally, many students fail because they try to do everything alone. Guidance saves time, money, and mistakes. In conclusion, most study abroad rejections are avoidable. Preparation, research, and the right guidance make all the difference. If you are serious about studying abroad, don't gamble with your future. Follow College Desk Ghana for verified admissions, scholarships, and expert guidance. Join our student community today and stay ahead. Be blessed.
College Desk Ghana. Your excellence, our priority.